Welcome back to the channel. Today is a special day. It's hat day. I ordered a Stetson hat. I own three, and this is my fourth one now. So today we're going to unbox it together and take a look at it. Now I have this Stetson that I have been wearing while I've been filming, and I really love this hat. It's a Stratoliner. It's felt. It's a special limited edition. And but in Texas, wearing a felt hat is not very conducive in the summer. It gets awful hot and you sweat in it and it'll ruin the hat if you sweat too much in it, don't and you have to go get it cleaned. So let's go ahead and look at what we've got today. I've got a hemp version of the Stratoliner. So let's open it up and see what we got. So here's the Stratoliner in hemp. It's looks pretty nice. Band's good. Stitching is good. All Stetsons come with the Stratoliners come with this aircraft pen. But let's try it on and see how it looks. Yeah, I like it. I like it a lot. Fits me great. Um, Now the difference between this one and the felt one is what I've noticed is when you're buying a felt hat, you pick your size and that's your size. With the straw hats, I've noticed that you have to go down one size. So that's a 7. This is a 6 and 7/8. So it fits me a lot better. I've read online that if you buy the same size as your felt hat, it's going to be a little bit big. So I was forewarned with that. It comes with this Stetson logo in the center, in the top of the hat. It's Stetson's been in business since 1865, I believe it is, and they make them here in Garland, Texas. They used to make them in Philadelphia, but they moved down now. Now they're in Garland, Texas, and they make them. Still, still a fine hat. If you know anything about hats, Stetson's been around for a long time, and they make a really fine hat. Now this one cost me $185. You go online and ask for a military discount just to see if Stetson gives a military discount, and they say that people say that they don't, but they actually do. You just have to verify through ID Me, and you get back 10% off. So I got this hat basically for the price that was on the website with the discount. So anything else that was added to it, the 10% discount took care of. So if you're going to buy a hat online through Stetson, if you have a military ID and you can get the discount, it's probably going to be the price that this website lists after shipping and everything. But I really like it. Probably going to end up getting a couple different colors. Yeah, yeah, there it is. Peace out.